Today I'm going to show you how to do a photo collage technique called joiners. This technique is invented by an artist. His name is David Hockney. To get started, open up Photoshop, and then you're going to make a new document. We're going to make this a square, 13 by 13, and make the resolution 150. Click Create. Now I find it easier just to bring in one photo at a time. To do this, go up to File, go down to Place Embedded, and find your photos. Mine are on my desktop. Now when you see this X, it means it's not embedded yet. You either double click on it or click on the check mark up here to embed it. To resize it, press and hold the Shift key and drag it on a diagonal. You're going to make your photos a lot smaller than what they come into the document as. Okay, I'm just going to keep going. Place embedded, double click my photos, change the size, and then place these where I think they go. So this goes somewhere over here. Now remember, we're not trying to match it up perfectly. It will not match up perfectly. That's not the point of it. This is just your experimenting process. We will do another one once you're done figuring out what works and what doesn't work with this type of photo collage. When David Hockney came across this technique, there were a few things that he realized. He realized that pictures, a photo collage seemed to be more three-dimensional. There was more space, the illusion of space, because there isn't actually three-dimensional space in a flat photo collage. But he found that very interesting. He also found that he could show the passage of time. As you take a photograph, especially of an object that moves, these flowers are inanimate, they're fake, so they're not moving. But if you had an object like a person or a pet, it would move. If you took a photo and you waited just 3 seconds, there could be some movement. Another way to use this photo collage is to show the passing of time. Now with this one that we're doing, we were focusing on demonstrating space. We're showing a three-dimensional object. So I'm going to work on this for a little bit and I will speed it up. Okay, so I'm done with this photo collage. Now I want to show you how you can rearrange your photos. If you look at your layers palette over here, whatever is on the top is above everything else. See this photo right here? It's the top one. I can move that behind another photo just by dragging it down. Try to see where it can go under. Notice it went under that one. So what I want to do, I think, was it this one? Although no, I like that. So you can move them behind. You can rotate them. They don't have to be straight. Remember, this is not supposed to line up perfectly. By not lining up purposely, that is what gives it the illusion of more space. Okay, your turn to give it a try.